Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add border to the image in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets file. Firstly, in this video, I will show that add border to the image. Now going to the insert menu option. Then click for the drawing option. Now click for the image option. Now click for browse option. Then choose the picture. Now click for open. Then insert from the picture. This picture is the no border, and then show the add the border in the picture. Now click for the border width option, then choose size, then click for the border color option, then choose color. Now click for the save and close. That's it. Then change the color. Now click for the double click for the mouse from the picture. Then click for picture. Now click for the background color. Then click for the save and close option. That's it. Then show add border image in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.